Hello, my name is Lauren Harrison. I'm the driver safety trainer at Western Express. Today we're going to go over how to properly install snow chains. The first step is to lay out the chains. When you lay out your chains, we're going to make sure our hooks are facing upwards to the sky and make sure our calipers are facing us. By doing so, you're allowing for the hooks not to dig into the tires, and you're allowing for you to be able to adjust the calipers from the outside of the vehicle. The next step will be to place the chain over the tire. When placing your chain over the tire, you want to make sure that it is as even as possible. Then you want to tuck all the excess chain underneath the tire in the back, so when you roll the truck backwards, you roll over the excess chain completely. Alright, the next step will be to roll the truck back about 4 feet. The next step will be to connect the chains. By using the hooks that's on the end of each chain and hooking them into the tightest possible hook, that's how we're going to connect the chains. If you will notice, we have play in our chains. We don't want any play in the chain because that will cause it to go off. You're going to use a cam tool to tighten them like this. Alright, the next step will be to install the bungees. We're going to install them in an X pattern. We're also going to make sure that our hooks are facing outwards, and we're going to make sure that when we connect our hooks, it's to an open link, not to a cam. And this is how you properly install snow chains. Now remember, anytime you're traveling west of Interstate 35, please stop by the nearest terminal to pick up some snow chains. Snow chain laws are in effect in the western states from September 1st all the way to May 31st.